Step into the 2010 Toyota Venza. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and much more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.